Welcome to Sigzen ERP. In this video, you will learn how to create custom reports in ERPNext. A custom report allows users to create reports tailored to their needs without altering the core system. This feature is handy when the standard reports available in ERPNext don't fully meet your requirements. Go to the report list by searching Report List in the Awesome bar. Select any report from the list. Now, click on Show Report. Now, go to the menu list and click Pick Columns. Click on Submit. Now, again, go back to the report list. Select any report from the list. Click on Show Report. Go to the menu list and click Add Column. Set it from Document Type, Field, and Insert After. Click on Submit. Congratulations! You have completed the creation of custom reports in ERPNext.